Right guys, you already know what's going to happen next. We'll see you inside. Hey guys, this is Martin from De-Evolved. I'm currently out today with Charlotte. She's another local explorer from Southend. I'm out with her boyfriend as well. He's making some headway at the moment, and shortly we're going to show you something that hasn't been inside of absolutely years. But there's a billion brambles in here, guys. Makes life insanely hard getting in and out. This is inside Southend-on-Sea's former rock factory. It was also once a church. I'll fill in the rest of the history and the details because I'm not too sure of it. But yeah, guys, happy days. We're inside, and this is the first bit that we're presented with. This is the main building that Charlotte over here, she's just coming out of.
It looks like a church.
Yeah, it used to be a church. Wow, how cool is this place? Oh, this is awesome. You can see that fire damage is hardcore, can't you? Right, it's all buggered at the bottom. Right guys, let's take a look around. This is amazing. I honestly didn't think I'd get in here. Wow. Jeez. Amazing. How safe do you reckon the upstairs is? Alan West, Brighton, England. Here we go. Whoa, this bit's dodgy. Crazy. Looks like they seem alright at the moment. I don't know about this level up here though. Still some remains of some stained glass windows here, guys, and you can see the alcoves and everything. Yeah, we've just made it up to this bit behind us here. This floor's a bit sketchy, guys, but I have managed to take some still photos over here. You can quite easily see why it's a dangerous building. You can see exactly what is about to come down above us. I don't want to stay inside here too long. We're going to make this short and sweet, but we are going to take another look around now. Yeah, this is the fire damaged roof up here, you can see. And obviously it's falling down as we speak. It's completely damaged with charcoal, guys, so you can't see anything really there. They're all right there, but when you get onto this platform up here, it's a bit random. Come back down these stairs now, these are pretty dodgy. Right. Look at the state of this door. It's so burnt. And this floor is hollow, and I don't really want to put my luck on. Does it go down? Oh, it goes underground. Yeah. Right, this looks sketchy as fuck, guys. Might need two hands or to come out of this area and go round. I can't really tell what it is. It's kind of like a probably something that has a tank rest on it or something, maybe. Alright, let's see if we can get around to it. I don't know if I'll go this way or not. And there's another door at the back, I think. There's definitely an underground room. Yeah, there's got to be a legit way down there. That little door over there as well. Sick. Wow. There it comes. Oh. Yeah. What's this carpet hanging up? It's got something written on it. Yeah, Avengers or something written on it, I think.
Because there's that other door, and I think that's where I went down as well.
Yeah. I'm surprised there's no graffiti though.
Yeah, sure, it's just all like that.
None? I mean, we've got the option of lowering ourselves through the floor, but then it's getting back out again, like... There was two at the end, yeah. Hope you're enjoying it. Remember to share, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Love it. This is dodgy as you like around here. Yeah. What about that door at the back there? What's through there?
I haven't checked. I didn't have a torch.
Yeah?
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Go on, I'll follow you.
Right.
And then there's like another bit behind the door.
Right, whoa, it looks well creepy. Those are some thick spider webs. Looks like a witch's. Looks like a witch's house. Whoa, there's loads, and there's another door. Whoa, oh, there's a lot. I think it's just a toilet, but there's hella loads of cobwebs in it. Whoa. There's a little basketball. Yeah. Oh, so many cobwebs. There's the toilet in there, guys. I'm not going to get too close because I'm going to get wrapped up like candy floss in a minute. There we go. Oh, state of them. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of cobwebs, guys. Crazy amount. Pfft. Absolutely coated in them. Fuck me. Just see how many there are. There's crazy amounts in there. This appears to be the roof, guys. Like, look at this. This is where the fire damage has been, and you can see that everything has just come smashing down in the middle here. Yeah. So we've still got to be pretty careful, guys, when it comes to walking around this area. Let's have a look around. Try not to lose my hat again. Oh. There's another door. There's another door. And stairs. Yeah, doors and stairs over this way. What is that through there? I think that's the room we came through before. The floor's a bit fucked, but we might be able to get underneath it. There we go.
Oh my god.
It's alright. Right, the ceiling's collapsing in this area. There doesn't seem to be much in here though. It is literally just a lot of backfill. Oh, we're in. Right, okay, so I've just turned that sketchy corner, guys. This is the bit where the roof is collapsing at the moment. You can see how dangerous this really is. Yeah, this is all soot, and that's behind the door. I'm not going around there, guys, but it's pretty gnarly. So yeah, that's the first area. There is another door at the back, but it opens inwards, and I don't think we're going to be able to. There's another door at the back. Oh, this is sketchy as I think so. Right.
There's something on the wall over there.
Oh yeah. Water extinguisher for fire. How ironic. Right, there's another, there's a set of double doors up this end. God, this is hollow as you like. Oh, there's another fucking door. Where does that go? Man, this is sketchy. Oh, right guys, so yeah, I've just made it back across this area behind me. I didn't bother filming for it, I wanted to hold on. And we've got some more sketchy shit down here. I've got to be careful with treading over as well, so I'm going to try and do this and film at the same time. See how it goes. Yeah, just about. There we go. Yeah, we managed it. So that's in this area, guys. Happy days. Nice. We've got like a little workstation unit in the corner here. Not too sure what that's about. We'll take a closer look in a minute. Yeah, we've got these stairs here, guys, that go up somewhere. I'm not sure how much faith to put in these steps. Bit bendy. Actually, they're really bendy. It does go through to the end there though, to another room. But this floor is pretty bad, guys. There you go. There's the room at the end there. The floor is quite bendy here. It's a bit mushy. Don't really trust it. Yeah, you can feel those steps bending.
There's something down there though, but we don't know what it is.
Down here?
Yeah, down there.
Wow, what is this? It's got an old TV in here with loads of plastic cups. And then loads of styrofoam. What a weird little room. Where does this go? Crazy. Oh, how weird is this? Where does this go? Look where it goes. This really old book as well. A Rover 820 manual. It's behind the blinds. Yeah, so this must be roadside. This must have been like the entrance to the chapel or something. How weird. Yeah, it is.
Try that door, it doesn't matter.
No, that goes onto that side bit where those cars are around the side. Look at that, look, there's still some things in here like car parts or something. I'm not sure what they are, like valves or something, I think. Important fitting instructions. I think they're like gaskets or something. Or grommets, I don't know. Crazy. Weird stuff in here. So yeah, this is inside the rock factory, guys. Huh. Old TV set, the back of that there. Pop a grab. There you go, old arcade machine. Another old TV. Look at all these old TVs. There's loads of old TVs in here. There we go. Look at this. There's another set of doors there that lead through. Maybe I can get to those. There we go. Got to be careful where we tread down here, I think. Random. What is that little bit in the corner? This is crazy, guys. Wow. Right, let's get to the back. What is this? Oh, it's just a little area. Okay. Let's see if we can get behind here carefully. There we go. Ouch. There we go, and that brings us into this little area. Oh look, there's a lift. Huh, who knew there was once a lift? Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, I'm going to make my way out over here shortly and join them. And that's the wrap. we've managed it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to share, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.